the open road, where dreams unfold, adventure calls, a story to be told. With every mile, our spirits soar, freedom song forevermore. Supersede child adventures on the go, through the hills and valleys, don't you know? With laughter and love we roam so free, a journey shared, just you and me. Heather by my side, Herbie and Bugsy too. Together we chase skies of endless blue. In our RV, a home on wheels, every turn a new world reveals.
Hey everybody, we are in the gondola in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're heading up to the top of the mountain, and I don't know, it looks like there's a lot of stuff to do here, so we're gonna see what's up here and send you some footage and see what this is all about.
Okay, get ready, you gotta get out. You gotta stop. Hey everybody, we are at Gatlinburg, Tennessee, up here for the Blue Ox Inspections Rally. We're actually staying in Pigeon Forge at Margaritaville. So, probably the second time we've been here in Gatlinburg, but we're now up on top of the mountain in a place called Anakeesta. It looks like it's a small amusement type park. Up on top of the mountain, they got plenty of restaurants, zip lining, mountain coasters, a few other things. So we're going to be here all week. We're going to take you along. We just left London, Kentucky on yesterday. So Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, and Sevierville. What are you looking forward to?
I don't know, checking this place out for sure.
Okay, you can kind of see it behind us. Go up a little bit. Foggy day, rainy day this morning and all day yesterday, but it's going to clear up tomorrow. We're going to head out to Dollywood, spend the whole day at Dollywood, and then the rally starts on Thursday.
Looking forward to Dollywood too.
Yeah, if you follow the channel, you know that we're a big amusement park and theme park fans, so Dollywood will be new to us. So we will put a video out to compare Dollywood to Magic Kingdom. I don't expect it will be a comparison, but we'll have a good time just the same. So give us a like and feel free to share this. Follow along and leave a comment. Have you been to Dollywood? Have you been to Gatlinburg? I know it's a very popular area, but first time for us in well over a decade.
What'd you think of Gatlinburg?
It was different.
Different in a good way or different in a bad way?
I'm glad we came. Glad we saw it. And
Glad we're leaving.
yeah.
Just outside of Towson, Tennessee, on Great Smoky Mountain Parkway, I think it was called, or Byway. So, pretty nice, different places to stop, get your picture taken, scenic overlook. Look at that background, huh? That scenery right there, just, That's a long way out there. I mean, you know the Smoky Mountains are big, but you don't. It's hard to put into words how big they are until you get out and look out across something like this.
Hey guys, so we are on our way home from Pigeon Forge. But last week we spent a few days in London, Kentucky for a rally. So we spent time with Chris and Katrina from our Everyday Getaway, Val and Jared from our Next Adventure. There was Cody and Angela from Untethered, and then Chris and Megan from Why Wait. And the rally was held at the Farm RV Resort, and I thought it was super nice. I would definitely go back. A nice resort, and I had a really good time. I would say there was, how many people there?
About 300.
The whole park, the whole resort was there just for the rally, so that made it nice. But we met a lot of great people, and there was people there that we've met before, so it was fun just to get together, and we had a good time. What'd you think?
Same thing. Really nice resort. I wouldn't make it a destination, but if there was another rally or something going on there, I'd absolutely go back.
Yeah, there was a lot of activities that they had going on. So
met a lot of friends that we've met, and that we've had for a while. Met a lot of new people, made some new friends, some people that we're going to be spending part of the summer with later on this year. So it was a good time.
Yeah. We spent the week at Margaritaville in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we were there for a rally which was held by the Blue Ox inspection folks, Pierre and Laurel. We had a great time. The campground or resort, I guess they call it, I think it wore on us, but it was a little unlevel where we were. But
it was unlevel, expensive, and tight, especially for that money. Now, we looked at 5 or 6 other RV resorts,
in the area where we were traveling around, they seem to all be very tight in that area. So I guess it's just the way it is.
I would say one thing about staying there is a ton of stuff to do in the area. So we did go to Gatlinburg, and then of course Pigeon Forge is right there. So, but we had an awesome time. I think this was our second rally for the week, and I think that both rallies were awesome, and they were different in their own way. But we had a great time. Did you have fun?
What?
Did you have fun at the rally?
Yeah, I had a good time. There's a lot of cool giveaways. Won a couple things, so that was always good. We had a good time in the area. We went to Dollywood. You'll see a video on that. We went to Anakeesta in Gatlinburg. That was a waste of money. But the rally itself was awesome. The people were awesome. Like I said, the site grew on me. It's just frustrating when you pay that kind of money and you're not level.
They had a couple seminars that were interesting, and we sat through them, and then they had some activities. We did participate in a scavenger hunt, and we won.
What do you mean we? Unless you had a mouse in your pocket, it wasn't we. You sat there.
It was a team effort, I guess. So one of the people sat at their site, and then the other person had to go out and do the scavenger hunting. So, but really, I was just helping everybody else because you couldn't do the hunt at your own site. So anything that we had on the list, we weren't allowed to use for our own.
And live music. We actually had live music at both events, and both were really, really good. Again, food was good, a lot to do in the area. Very happy that we went. Not happy I had to deal with this 81 traffic on the way back. It sucks, but part of living in Central PA, you get used to it.
Yep. But overall, we had a great time at both events.